Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a soft and savory scallion crepe. So I grew up eating this a lot, and we would eat it for breakfast or we would eat it as a mid-afternoon snack with some tea. This is definitely not traditional, but when I grew up eating this, we would roll it up and dip it in ketchup, and it actually really goes well together. If you grew up eating this as well and you think like, wow, that is such a weird combo, let me know if you try it in the comments below. This recipe is actually super easy to make. All you gotta do is mix stuff up. So let's head on to the recipe. So we're going to need 3 eggs. And to that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, a dash of white pepper, and we're also going to grind in some toasted sesame seeds. Add in some chopped scallions and mix to combine. Next, we're going to add in 2/3 cups of AP flour and 3/4 cups of water. Now mix it well until all the flour has completely dissolved, and you should get a consistency like this. It shouldn't be too watery or too thick, but it should flow easily. Now we're going to warm up a pan over medium-low heat, and we're going to remove the pan from the heat right before putting in our batter. Add a tiny drop of oil and brush off any excess. We want the pan to be warm and not hot. If the pan is too hot, the crepe will end up too thick in some areas. When you add the batter, you have to start swirling it around immediately to even it out on the surface. Now we're going to place the pan back onto the heat and turn the heat up to medium. Then cover it with a lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and flip your crepe over. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes on the other side, and then flip it back to the original side for another 1 minute. Then remove the crepe and take the pan off the heat and repeat the process with the rest of the batter. When you're all done, the crepe should be nice and soft, and it should have a little bit of elasticity to it.